My worries about climate change, it's more extreme weather. There's a lot happening all over the world, but like all through New Zealand and even our local areas at the moment.
So when we've had all these big rain events, I can't get through the cycleway because it's covered in water. And that's only happened in the last few years, you know, that's only quite a recent thing.
As you get extreme climate events, as we've just seen in Napier, you can't farm. So we're not going to be able to feed people.
I didn't really look into it until more recently, you know, the effects of climate change and what I can do here right now. We've got 5 kids and myself and my husband. We source our own meat and veg.
We can choose to partner with ethical suppliers where we can.
And I do most things around my community on a bike.
I walk a lot of places I go, even like catching the bus to school. Just being conscious on what I buy as well.
Every paddock will have trees in. By putting carbon back in the soil, you create a sponge where you can absorb a lot more water.
We worry about the big picture, but really if we just worry about what we're doing, our families and our little communities, and just do one little thing, so we will make a difference.
When it comes to council, what I'd like them to focus on with is looking at natural solutions, incentivise farmers to plant more trees.
Better recycling facilities, how to use those and what to put into the bins.
I think it's education. People don't know, or they know the bare minimum.
I think it's something that should be talked about at school.
I hope that make sure the new little daughter gets to experience the life that I had when I was growing up.
For me personally, and for the people I know, I'd like them to be able to cycle freely and easily around the district and just enjoying the environment that we have here and just let's see if we can keep it.
Be able to do it without thinking, you know, we brush our teeth without thinking. It would be nice if we could just take a little bit more care of our planet.
And everyone can do it.
Yeah, one bit at a time.
I encourage everyone to act now.
Tell the council what you think.
Join the conversation.
It only takes 2 minutes.
Let's leave a legacy we can all be proud of.